And what we would need is one brownie mix, a half a cup of oil, and we will need 3 tablespoons of water. And we will need some eggs. And we will need 2 of them. And with eggs, you want to crack them on the side like that. And there should be a crack like that. And then you want to split it open. And then we will want to mix it together.
No.
And it should look like that when it's mixed up. It tastes really good. And what we will need is a waffle stick iron. And then we will need to spray with vegetable oil. Or cooking spray, I should say. And then we are going to pour the batter into the pan. And then try and spread it out some. Then once they are done, we are going to open it. And then take the brownie sticks out. And if they end up turning into something like that, then that's okay. And it should look like that when it's done.